What, Bhumika? I didn't get you. Once you write select case, then for every case you just have to write case, not the select. No, no. You should write only case. Only that's a syntax. Okay. Okay, I recorded all this 7 fields. Okay, now this data I will retrieve from here. Okay, from this. Okay. So what I'm doing here, I'll create a function. Function name insert. Okay, and we need date of flight, flight from, flight to, select flight, and customer name, tickets, then class. Total 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so class I can, it can be anything, right? First or second, first or business or economy. I need to add all the class objects. Okay, all the objects. Add. Business is already there. I'm adding first and have to add economy. 3 buttons. Okay, so here date of flight, flight from, class. Okay, and this function I'll keep inside the library file which I created yesterday. Save this. It will save automatically in the framework test. Okay, then next thing what I have to do, I have to make these all objects shared. Insert. Okay, now I'm opening framework, file, resources, associate repositories. Okay, instead of using these two, now see, if I create 15 functions, do I need to associate all the 15 repositories? No, we can merge them all together, right? Okay, using merge tool. Okay, now there are only 2 files. Suppose if there are more than 5 or 6 repositories. Okay, then instead of using them individually, we will merge them together using object repository merge tool. Okay, now here I'm going to retrieve the data. First I need to retrieve the data. T data equals to data table, third column, fifth value, fifth sheet, ARR. I should split it. Split T data, comma. Where should I split it, comma?
I think it is T data table dot value.
Yeah, data table dot value. Right, data table dot value. Third column, fifth sheet, third column, fifth sheet. And ARR of 0 hosts, date of flight, flight from, flight to, then select flight.
Select flight.
Okay, and
Ticket or customer name ticket.
yeah, customer name, tickets, class.
Class.
Here I'm just checking whether ARR of 5 is tickets or not. See, ARR of 5 is not tickets, it is class. So I'm using this 5 here and this 2 here. Okay, after customer name, tickets I'm retrieving, then class. It's okay.
Arpana? Hello, Arpana?
Yeah,
Why you are passing agent name and password? It will retrieve the information from the Excel sheet, right?
yeah, but I'm not retrieving the data from the Excel sheet for the login now. In the second case.
Okay.
Okay, in the first case I'm retrieving, in the second case
But you are calling login function, right?
yeah, I'm
And
just
that
calling the
login
log.
function, is calling the Excel sheet.
No, just login function will execute the actual application.
Yeah, but the actual application is calling the Excel sheet, right? It's importing the information from the Excel sheet.
No, through the script only we are retrieving the data, right? See here, the data. Okay, the script itself will retrieve the data from the Excel sheet. And then we are assigning it to the actual application.
Okay.
Actual application is not
Okay.
connected to the Excel.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Now here instead of 1 and 2 and 3, I have given business, class business. This is first LG, login. Second, insert. See, it's inserting the record. Is it clear? Clear, everyone?
Instead of giving data as she is saying, can't we connect login function with insert without providing data in the script?
Yeah, constant value we can assign.
No, not like that. See, in
The
Excel,
inside, okay. In Excel sheet, I have given the data, right?
yes.
If you don't want to give the data, you just keep the data over here only. It doesn't matter. Okay, if
Okay,
you want
which will check only for one data then.
one data, one data,
Then if we want to check for more than one data, then how can we do it?
then we have to use Excel sheet or Word text file where we will store the data.
Entire database.
Again, we have to connect to
Okay.
the text file or Excel sheet. Okay, if you are retrieving the data from the external Excel sheet, then what we need to do, we need to create one Excel sheet or text file. From there we will retrieve the data. So here, instead of T data, what we will do, we will write like, suppose if I create a text file, okay, and there if I store the data, then what I need to do here, I need to put the logic which will connect to the text file and reduce the data, right? Isn't it? Okay, I'm not retrieving the data from the data table. Okay, I will retrieve it from the external text file.
Okay.
Okay, now if we are retrieving the data from the external text file, what we need to do, we need
Then
to
we have to
create
connect.
an object FSO,
Yes.
right? Then we have to open the file in read mode. Then we need to write the while loop. So in that way, we can run it for multiple times.
And
Okay,
my
Bhavya?
question is like, case INS, you are giving like call login with Jack and Mercury. Instead of giving the data, like passing data and calling the function, can't we just pass, like, can't we just connect to the Excel sheet where it has the data?
Definitely we can. We have to create another variable,
Okay.
or else we can use this variable, same thing.
Yes.
Because
See
this is
data.
going to get executed next, right? So
Yes.
first I will retrieve the login data, then I'll retrieve this insert data. I can reuse the variable name, right?
Yes, that's what I wanted to ask. Like.
Yeah, we can do it.
Okay.
Okay, or else in Excel sheet, store agent name and password here also. Here.
Okay. That will be like a redundancy. Instead of that, we can just connect to the first one.
Yes. Okay. But one thing, if you observe, if I read you this key, only this row will be focused, right? Okay. Now for the next, for login, I have to focus to the first row to read the data. There we have to write logic. Okay. First we should set a focus to the first row.
Okay.
Okay, now instead of that, we can store the data in other external Excel sheet. From there we can retrieve. Okay. Is that clear now? This is about the framework. Okay, now QTP supports